Welcome to the Scrape Genius, how to use GST Number Scraper. First look at initial steps, enter keywords, enter city name. You can also enter multiple cities separated by commas. After click on Add button, it will add your keyword and city in query list. You can easily remove any query. Now click on Start button to start the process, and within a few minutes, GST numbers will start appearing. Now once the process done, you can check the collected data in below table list. As you can see, the sum columns data is empty or showing NA. To grab this additional data such as websites, phone number, and email addresses, then simply click on Deep Extractor button. It will try to find these details from other reliable sources. After this process is finished, the additional data will be displayed in the table. You can easily download the results or export them to Google Drive. Thank you for watching.